Greetings fellow editors, Martin here from iEdit, and in today's quick video I will show you two ways how you can create your sequence so you can start editing your projects. So the first and probably the easiest way how you can create new sequence in your project is by dragging and dropping one single clip over to the timeline window. After we've done this, you can see in the project window at the left side of the screen that we have one new file here, which is the created sequence. Now you can rename this sequence to main sequence, video, or however you like it. If you remember from the previous video where I've talked about media and file organization in the project, I like to keep all of my files in separate folders. So I will create a new folder also for my sequences. The main advantage of creating a new sequence this way is that it will inherit all of the attributes of the source file. Two of the main attributes are resolution and frame rate. Now let me show you the second way how you can create new sequence. This time we will be creating and setting the sequence manually. But first of all, let's delete the current sequence. To create a new sequence manually, just right-click anywhere in the project window, go to New Item and select Sequence. In this window you have a bunch of available presets, so if you know what you will be working with, just select one of these. I would however like to set my settings manually, so I will switch to the Settings tab. The first parameter I'm going to change here is the time base. I know that I would like to work in a 25 frames per second timeline, so I'm going to change it to 25 frames per second. The second really important thing I will pay attention to is the frame size. Right now we are at full HD resolution, which is 16:9 aspect ratio. As you just saw in the previous example, all of my clips were shot vertically because I've posted this video as my Instagram story. That's why I need to adjust the frame size here to match the vertical aspect ratio. To change the aspect ratio to vertical, I will just swap these two values. So in the end, it will be 1080 pixels horizontal and 1920 pixels vertical. You can also see that the aspect ratio changed from 16:9 to 9:16. If you will be exporting your project for web or PC playback, just leave anything else like it is and hit OK. If you are however interested how to set your timeline if you will be exporting for DVDs or Blu-rays, just leave me a comment down below and I will make an update video for this. As you can see, now we have here a new blank vertical sequence with its own timeline. Well, that's it for today, my fellow editors. I really hope that you've learned something new today, and I'm looking forward to see you in my next video.